Okay, I'm going to show you how to do a couple of these projects. I'm going to start with this particular one here that says bid. So when you come in here, what I've done, you notice it says new. I'm going to X that off. So when you come in, you first come in, stuff may be all over the place, just randomly in here. So what I always do, easy for me, I can group by group, view by group, and then I can see this group. But even better, come here to the filter, cancel, here to the right, the filter, and then I come and say status. So right now, all I want to look is new stuff that's come in today or last night. So right here, let's start the top one. 204 switches, bid. Okay, notice it says bid. So we take this bid, we're going to come in here, bid on repairs tells us what to do. Go to dashboard, details. We want to change this to bid, change this to bid. Now, it came in on 11th. What I normally do, unless they tell us otherwise, I try to get the bids turned out that same week. So you just say the 15th. All right. So now it's there. You can look at users. If you're seeing it, of course, your name should be on there. Back to dashboard, bid, dates, and then I can look at task. Not worried about assigning anything out, dates, unless you're going to assign it to someone specific. So that one's there. So I'm going to go back to projects here. If I notice I still have new, now that one's gone, but this next one's here. So again, it says bid. So I'll click on this one, looking at the task. So everything in here is for me to bid. So I'm going to go to dashboard, details, change the status to bid and group name to bid. Again, came in today. I'm going to try to get bids done same week if any way possible. And then it's updated. I'll go back to projects. Boom, it's gone. If there's ever something in here you're unsure about, just ask. But I'm going to kind of go down and do a few more. So let's just take this right here. 403 East Texas, change lock. Notice nothing else says bid in the thing. But sometimes when you open the task, there may be work orders and then part that says bid. If it is, we'll kind of cross that bridge. Normally I try to keep bids separate from the others, but this is just strictly locks. So in here, what I'm going to do, go to dashboard, and most locks, plumbing, electrical, try to do the same week, make them hot. So that came in on Friday. So we want to try to do it this week. You could do it 13, 14, 15, whatever you say. I'm just going to do the 15th on this. You want to change new. So once you put it in there, what is it? High, low? Is it make ready, high or vacant, or maintenance high or low? Locks, plumbing, electrical, anything that needs to be done pretty soon, high. Take the group name, change it to this, which everything should go under maintenance. If it's something Pierce is doing, we can put it here. If you wanted to make more groups on down the road, let me know. We can show you how to do that. But right now, I pretty much have everything that we're in-house. People work for us directly, exclusively here. Goes there, and then that's it. Now I'm going to go to like this make ready here, McQuay. You can click on it. You can look and see what all is here. Oh, we got trash out, all kinds of stuff here. Trim bushes, cut grass. And if you have any questions, you can kind of look it over and see what all needs to be done. But if it's a make ready and everything needs to be done, nothing's bid, yada yada, you can click on dashboard again, details. Now this one, you would go to here, it's vacant. So if it doesn't say it's rented out or any other notes anywhere, then it's going to be normally a medium vacant make ready. Okay. Now this came in on the 5th, so we're running a little behind for some reason. Not sure why. We just now got it, but saying it came in on the 5th. So what we want to do is generally you want to do it no more than 2 weeks out. So technically we're putting it here. So this will be 1, 2, but since we're running behind getting it in, we're going to say 1, 2. So we want to have it done by the 22nd, if any way possible. Click right here on the group name, make readies there. And then you can, like I say, always look at the task, and you kind of have an idea of what's there, what's going on, and know what's happening. So right here, you see a note, wants done ASAP, so we can get it rented. So that'll kind of dictate what you're doing. As far as some of this here, like if we have the yard guys and we have them do something, you could click on this and say, added to lawn care list and add comment, and then you could close this one out if it's already been added. If it hasn't been added, then it's best just to make a note saying going to add and then leave it open. Go back to projects. I'm going to start with this one here. Cox. So this is locks again. Locks, I always kind of look and see what's going on. 260 locks, a house. Again, locks, plumbing, electrical. Come up here, high maintenance status, group name, make readies, end date, same date. Came in on the 8th. And you can change the first date if you want to that, but I normally leave it whenever it came in, and I'll show you why in a minute. And so now we're ready to go. Go down to this one, couch. So this one here, this is something they've been needing done for a while. And so you can kind of make the decision here to where it could technically be low maintenance. And instead of this week, you could put it for next week. Now, if you're dating everything Friday, if you want something to have higher priority, you could say, okay, instead of next Friday, let's say by next Wednesday. And that way it'll pop up. Make the group MPPM and you're good. All right. I'm going to leave the rest of these for you to practice on, but the only other one I'm going to show you is this McDonald. So this came in as a tree, and if it's something's outside our wheelhouse, that's where you'd reach out and say, hey, what do you want me to do? Get some bids, let somebody look at it. It may not be something we can handle. Like this particular one I looked at, the tree fell on the house. It's a big tree, so we're going to have a tree guy to look at it. And what we do, we send an email back or get more information, or we may meet the actual tree people over there and go from there. Now, I'm going to X this new out, and I'm going to go back in here by group. I'm going to go a little bit further just so I don't see all this other stuff. I'm going to say filter, and I'm going to say group name. Come down to my MPPM here. Find. All right, and then here we are. There's a punch list. So now there's everything's categorized by end date. Okay, so all the stuff we entered in should be right in here. Texas, McQuay, couch, all right here. There we go. So now it's all in here.